YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, back with another video for you guys today, man. And in today's video, you guys read the title, you saw the thumbnail. I have a very interesting unboxing for you guys, a very unique sneaker. Well, I guess it's not an unboxing. I couldn't wait to do the video. I actually already saw it, so it's not going to be like a first time unboxing for me, but it is what it is. Got a review for you guys, man. It's something very interesting here. But before we get into it, if you're new here, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the anonymous Sneakerhead family. Turn on your notification bell. Let's keep on growing. Also, take the time to smash that like button. Really helps with the algorithms, helps bring more people to the channel. And then last but not least, follow my Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first. Poll stories, questions, all of that stuff. You would have seen me post about these sneakers up there already. And without further ado, man, let's get into it. So here is the box right here. Now, before I say anything more, we are getting into an independent sneaker brand right here. I came across this brand on Instagram. It's called A World United. Really like, you know what I'm saying, their message, what they stand for, all of that. Also like a lot of their designs. And I saw this sneaker, I came across it on my Explore page, and then I started looking more and it started popping up again, and it came up on, I know Mr. Entertainment had a pair, and then I want to say his name Stan Go or Scan Go, something like that. I know he did a review of them on YouTube as well, so then that's how I found out about them. And I went and bought this pair, and I hit them up and talked to them a little bit, and I'll tell you what we talked about a little later. But here we go, just regular brown cardboard box, nothing too special about it. We get the "Thank you for being united," which is like their slogan thing, on the top of the box right there. And then we have the handshake right there, which is really dope. Just their whole message is unity. Then right here on the box label, I'll hold it still so you guys can see it, but we have a United Love 1, and the colorway is chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla. They actually call this shoe on their Instagram the Neapolitan, just like Neapolitan ice cream, hence the thumbnail of this video. Now we are going to go ahead, and this is a size 12, which is, I'll tell you why that's a little interesting in a little bit. But here we go. The United Love 01 Neapolitan. Alright, YouTube, so just a couple things, you know what I'm saying, right before we get into the shoe. That's the right one. I'll take out the left one. So these do come with, as you can see, white laces in them, but they also ship them with pink laces, which is really cool. This may be a, I may do it 1-in-1 like I do on some sneakers. I haven't done it in a while, but may leave one white lace in, put a pink in the other one, or both pink, we'll see. And it also comes with a sticker right here, which is really dope from them. Thank you for being united. Going to sit that over on the side, nothing else really to go over on the inside of the box there. But here is the shoe. This is what you guys want to see. You would have already seen it, like I said, if you follow my Instagram, obviously the B-roll on here. But here it is, man. Now this shoe in person, I was a little worried. I didn't know, you know what I'm saying, what was the quality gonna be like, but the quality on these is actually really nice. Better than, I would say this is better leather quality than, let me take this out. I would say that this is better leather quality than like your standard Air Force One. Like if you're gonna get like an all white Force or an all black Force or even the all red one, definitely better leather quality there, a lot softer. It's not better than the Crafts that I reviewed recently, but that's the whole point of the Craft. That's why they cost $30 more than the regular Air Force One. And the reason why I'm comparing it to Air Force Ones is obviously, you know what I'm saying, there is inspiration drawn from there. And a lot of you guys, I know all the hype beasts, and everybody's like, oh, they're fakes, they're blah, 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 they're not customs, it's actually its own shoe, they're fake Air Force Ones, blah, blah, blah. But those same hype beasts that are saying they're fakes are the same hype beasts that love Nike, which if you guys, if you want a little bit of a history lesson, I actually pulled this sneaker out right here. Nike started with this sneaker right here, the Nike Cortez, which is essentially this Nike Cortez to the Onitsuka Tiger is this to the Air Force One. You know what I'm saying? Nike took the Onitsuka Tiger, or I'm sorry, Blue Ribbon Sports took the Onitsuka Tiger, changed it up a little bit, and then put a swoosh on it and called it a Nike Cortez. It literally is the Onitsuka Tiger, but instead of being an Onitsuka brand sneaker, it is a Nike brand sneaker. It is the exact same thing. That is the history of Nike. That is actually how Nike started making sneakers, was by taking an Onitsuka Tiger and calling it a Nike Cortez. Only difference with them and Warren Lotus is that they won their lawsuit. Also, if we look back about, 10, 12 years now, maybe a little more, the whole Bathing Ape craze that we now know is bait. Bathing Ape was an okay sneaker brand, they were an okay clothing brand that was doing all right, wasn't too hyped up, and then they came out with their Bapesta, which is obviously an Air Force One. Obviously a ripoff of the Air Force One, even more so than these right here. But everyone loves Bapesta, right? Everyone loves Bapesta. All of you saying that you hate these, you probably are trying to trade and do whatever you can, about to spend your whole life savings for a pair of Bapesta because Kanye put his name on it. It's the same situation with these. You know what I'm saying? Just because Kanye put his face on the Bapestas, you guys are going to say, oh, well, they're legit. Well, as a matter of fact, Jeff Staple actually gave permission to Warren Lotus to make the pigeon that he made. So why are you guys not giving Warren Lotus that same attention? But enough of that. We can talk about that all day if you want. You know what I mean? Let's get into the details of the sneaker that we have in front of me right now. So as you guys can see, it does look similar to an Air Force One, and we do have the Neapolitan colorway, the pink outsole, the pink heart right here, which is where the Nike swoosh would be. We also have on the tongue tag right here, I don't know if you guys could see it, we have the pink United right there with the hand shaking. And we also, on the back of the tongue, I'm going to put a picture of this on the screen so you can read it along with me. But the back of the tongue, it says unity. The state or fact of being united or combined into one as of the practice of a whole unification. Really, really dope. Like I said, I love, and does it have their website on there? Yeah, www.aworldunited.com. I'll put the link down below in the description. But it does have that on there as well, which is really, really cool. Now let's just get into some details of the shoe, man. So as you guys can see, regular outsole, similar outsole, and the reason why I'm pulling this pair, I'll pull this pair out to compare it to, is just because this is my only other size 12 Air Force One. The reason why I got these in size 12 and not size 11.5 is they didn't make this model in an 11.5. This is actually the second sneaker that they released. It's their first independent sneaker. However, the first sneaker they released, it was an Air Force One, a custom Air Force One. There was 15 pairs made. Those sold a while ago. Didn't know about the brand back then. Wish I had a pair of those and they were numbered. This pair right here, I actually reached out to the company, and it is its own original shoe. It's not an Air Force One custom. Like, you're not going to take this off and see an Air Force One under there. I should have known that off rip, just because the biggest telltale that this is not an Air Force One is we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eyelets right there. And on an Air Force One, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 eyelets right there. So that being said, the shoe actually is a little bit smaller. As you guys can see right here, it is a little bit shorter than the Air Force One is. But one more time, let's just get another look around here. So we do on the heel have that United branding right there going over past the heart. Then on closer to the toe, we have the handshake, which I think is really dope. I like how they use that. Really big in their branding. And you also get it right here on the, I don't even know what that little metal thing that's on the bottom of shoes is called, but you get the United handshake situation going on right there. Now, once again, this shoe, this particular colorway, I think they are planning on releasing more colorways and probably in more pairs. This shoe, once again, I reached out to the company. They only made 100 pairs of these. So this is, I wish they numbered them. It would have been cool if there was like a number on them to say da, but it is what it is. They only made 100 pairs of these. I meant to say this when I was recording the video. There are still a couple pairs left out of that 100. Some sizes are sold out, some sizes are pretty limited, but there are a couple pairs left on their website. Really, really dope sneaker. And obviously the color is, you got that chocolate brown, like not the mocha brown or a dark heavy brown. This is supposed to look like chocolate ice cream. You got the pink for the strawberry ice cream, the white for the vanilla ice cream, just like your Neapolitan, you know what I'm saying? You get the big jug of ice cream, and it got the or not the jug, but whatever, the carton, like the rectangle carton, and it got like the chocolate and the vanilla and the strawberry, or sometimes it's in different orders or whatever. That's what this shoe is made to represent. And what I think is really, really cool about that is the insole of the sneaker. So as you guys can see, man, on the insole of the sneaker, they do continue that ice cream theme right there. You can see the waffle cone pattern, you can see the ice cream pattern, you can see all the colors that are seen on the shoe as well, which I think is really, really dope, man. I personally love these, man. You guys could tell me I wouldn't have bought them if I didn't like them. I personally love these. United, you know what I'm saying? A world united, keep doing your thing. There's gonna be haters, just like everybody with Warren Lotus and how Bape was when it originally started. For whatever reason, they gave Bape a pass. Also, for whatever reason, probably because not nobody, but most people weren't alive back then, they gave Nike a pass on these, and this is literally how the Nike brand started. Go read Phil Knight's book. They took another sneaker, modified it a little bit, just like this. You took an Air Force One, modified it a little bit, less eyelets, no air on the side, you know what I'm saying? Outsole slightly different, upper slightly different, you know what I mean? They took a Onitsuka Tiger, made it slightly different, and started their own brand, man. I'm rooting for you guys. I'm rooting for a world united. Not just the brand, but also for the world to actually unite. There's too much division in the world, but this is a sneaker YouTube channel. We don't need to talk about that right now, you know what I'm saying? But definitely rooting for you guys, man. Love this brand, you know what I'm saying? Looking forward to more colorways that come out. Once again, you know what I'm saying, you guys hit me up if there's anything I could do to help you. I would love to. Absolutely love what you guys stand for. Love how the sneaker came out. Not sure, once again, what I'm going to do with the laces. If I'm going to keep these, go pink, go 1-on-1. Who knows, man? But that is it for this video, you guys. Let me know what you guys think of these down below in the comments. Now, before you go down below in the comments, just remember, if you're going to say these are knockoffs, you got to say Nike's knockoffs. You got to say Bape's knockoffs, you know what I'm saying? Because that's just how the brand started. So, you know what I'm saying? Everybody starts somewhere. Really, really love what they're doing. Hopefully, it's only up from here, man. But that is it for this video, y'all. I am the Anonymous Sneakerhead. If you're new here, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the Anonymous Sneakerhead family. Join the channel, you know what I'm saying? Let's keep on growing. Also, take the time to smash that like button. Really helps with the algorithm, helps bring more people to the channel. And then last but not least, make sure that you follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information first. Poll stories, questions, kicks of the day. You would have seen these up there already. All of that stuff, man. That is it for this one, you guys. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. And as always, it's all about the sneakers.